Not just a trash can, Toftan is a beautiful lake in the Dalarna region. Not just a gaming chair, Järfjället in Swedish Lapland. Not just a cabinet door, Laxviken is a delectable village in the Jämtland Härjedalen region. Not just a door handle, Sjöholm is a fishing village on the island of Tjörn. Not just a shelf, Kalix is a reindeer-filled village in Swedish Lapland. Not just a lamp, Hålliäs, a forest in the Värmland region, is one of Sweden's great wildernesses. Not just a toilet brush, Bolmen is a shimmering lake in southern Sweden. Not just an extendable table, Pretty in Gottorp in Småland region is filled with historically important architecture. Not just a lamp, 2,000 islands make up the beautiful archipelago of Misterhult. Not just a folding table, Norrberg is a pretty little town in the Västmanland region. Not just a cabinet door, Askersund, in central Sweden, is a town surrounded by water.